Welcome everybody. Today I'm going to attempt something. I picked these feathers up at the beach and I'm going to try and make a quill pen out of them. Let's see if this works. So, if I get it right, this thing's a bit buggered, but just taking it off at an angle, slightly sharper angle towards the end. I mean, if you can draw with a stick, I'm sure that just taking any blooming feather you can to make a quill pen out of it should work. Don't see why not. And take this middle, what's it, pith or whatever it is out. And that should be your reservoir, I believe. And then just make a little, oh hell, I think I cocked that one up, 10 love. So let's try again. Oh, that's the thing about making your own stuff. Doesn't matter if you mess it up. Like I said, I don't exactly know how to do this, but it can't be that complex for crying out loud. I mean, it's a feather. Yeah, let's see. There we go, there's that little jobby. Let's try that again, but this time I'm going to try slightly differently and hold the feather down while I pull the blade. That seems to have worked. See, it's all the way through. Come on, you little blighter. There you go. So okay, I need to take a bit more off on this side. I want to try and get a fine-ish point. I suppose that's good enough. Let's try it. Okay, I've got some Sumi ink here. Okay. Should actually fill it up, I guess. This is weird. Yeah, let's see. I can draw with this, I'm pretty sure. This is just cheap sketchbook paper. I mean, it's not meant for ink, so there will be some bleeding. Oh my word, okay, so it's got quite a lot of flexibility. Let's see. Okay, what I have noticed is I'm going to have to get rid of some of this stuff. It comes off pretty easily. I think this is a seagull feather. A bit more. Yeah, as you guys can see with all the stuff blowing around, I'm drawing outside. I suppose you can hear the road noise as well. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see how it touches. Oh, okay. I guess it has a doesn't like turning that way. Okay, let's draw something. Bloody hell. At DeviantArt there's a group called Inkblot Splatter where I set challenges for everybody. This month's challenge is a feather. So I actually thought of creating a tool out of a feather and drawing a feather. So let's see if I can do something. So what I'm going to use looks pretty nasty. Just take a look at that. Yeah, so let's see. I'm going to draw maybe an inkwell. Just a little box to start with, I guess. And the opening. I'm going to take I don't want to bump the ink over. And it's going to be a bit wide over here. And tape it towards the top. On this side I'm going to do like I said, I think this is an eagle feather. I wonder if this can draw wrong way around. Okay, it can. Surprise me yet again. And let's see, what's that getting? That's get about 3/4 of the way up. I actually left quite a bit there, so it's about halfway up, I guess. And think, ooh, hell, that's a balls up. Let's do that. I wonder. Just leave it. Take that down that way, I guess. So then note to self, don't let the feather hover over the page when you're busy with it. Let's just draw like there we go. So stop my hatching. It's got a very expressive line and I do like it. Oh, that's my dad character. Don't like what I've done there, so let's see. Like nails on a chalkboard. Let's just give it a place in the world. And I guess that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Cheers.